All right, everyone. Here we go. We are live. Let me put everything out this everywhere. Okay. Yeah. I hope it's in 2K today. Yeah, I think it is. Yes, perfect. Okay. Let me share this wherever possible. And then we're gonna start. Okay. I'm just updating my link on Discord. If you guys want to see what I'm doing, you can see it here. This is where I'm putting the link. You can join my Discord channel as well. I will quickly update the description with the invite link. This will expire in 7 days maybe, so let me just put it never. Okay, here we go. How do I edit? All right, Discord link. I need to start putting this in every video. Sorry about that. And here we go. All right, I'm not feeling the best today, so hold on with me. Okay. All right, put this everywhere wherever possible. I think people will start joining as soon as I open my YouTube chat. I guess there might be some people already. Ha. Okay, cool. Okay, here we go, guys. Enough of chit chatting. Let's start. What are we gonna focus on today? Chatbot Rust, data scrapping, and let me just get this thing out here. Okay, so the aim is very simple, right? Whatever we were working on, we'll just continue working on it. I have shared the stream number 1 link in the chat in the description. Okay, so you guys can take a look. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing good. You don't know me. Thank you so much for joining. Whenever you ask this question, do you expect me to respond properly or do you just do it for formality? Just let me know. Next time I'll answer accordingly. I am really bad at answering this question. Yo, Devashish, welcome. How are you doing? Hello, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy weekend. Da, 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 da. Well, weekend is over though. So tomorrow I'll be saying Happy Monday. Do you guys generally get excited for Mondays or are you more like, uh, here it comes? How about you? Oh, you guys, are you all the same people? Like whenever someone asks how you doing, you just say good and how about you? Am I the only odd one out here where I say that, the day was good, I was working, I did this and that. How you doing, man? Something like that. You don't do that? You don't. So is it more like a formality question to you? This is not good. Come on. So, so bro. Okay. You're the only one. Okay. Oh, sad. Okay. All right. I'm so sorry then. Thank you so much for making me feel the odd one out. You don't know me. That's much appreciated. Let me just build it. I don't know. I feel like doing cargo clean and building it again. As long as the build is working fine. No, I do it too. Oh, is it? Exactly right. And I know this guy also does it, right? He mentioned this before that he also does it. I don't know. He mentioned that he does it with his girlfriend or something. Right, something happened, guys. Let me quickly open the chat and all. You do cargo clean when you clean your room. Okay, guys, am I back? I'm so sorry. Something went wrong with my system today. I haven't even updated, to be honest. I was thinking that I should update, but then I held on to the update. So it kind of crashed for a second. Okay, looks like I'm back. Wait, I don't see him. Yeah, I kind of have stopped my video for some time because I'm having slight fever today, by the way. So I'm not in the best of health to be able to look very happy and give positive vibes. So I can give positive vibes using my voice, which is, I hope, really good. But I will not be looking that excited today. So I just thought, it's been there for some time now. So yeah. All right. Let's just do cargo build release. Take care, lad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me just put it there. I love Hyperland, by the way, so far. But I have this question. I have this strong feeling that PopOS will end up like whatever animations they are also putting for new windows and all, right? And the tiling is also getting better with the new OS. I'm looking forward to how they, because PopOS might just be the All right. Okay. What's happening? I don't know. The stream is not working properly. I hope Popeyes becomes the new Ubuntu. Why? Cosmic has taken some inspiration from Hyperland as per one of their devs. Oh, is it? It's good to know. I think something is going wrong with my monitors, guys. Um, so the cable is slightly maybe just something wrong with the cable. Just give me 1 second, okay? All right. I hope it should not go out this time, but if it does, we'll try to fix it. Okay. It's almost better than Ubuntu in a lot of aspects, even in terms of beginner user stuff. Ubuntu is very snap oriented. Yeah, yeah, I remember Ubuntu's debate about snap versus what was it, Flatpak, right, or something. They were not adopting it, if I remember correctly. But yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Before this, I miss Pop Slide. Sadly, I don't use it now. So what are you using, Devashish? Oh, you're using Windows, is it? Wow. Brave man. I used Windows as well for some time. It was not bad. Wild Linux for the win here. You really want everyone to start trying Wild Linux, right? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. I hope this doesn't crash now. I haven't even updated. Let me see. When I was trying to update, there were many things that were going to be updated. One of them were. I will be honest, guys. I don't know what's happening. I had to shift to Windows 11 throws error with Vanguard, so Valo doesn't work. Oh, you play Valo? Is it okay? It's like Arc, but sometimes stable as well and doesn't bring down on me. I understand. But right now, this one is crashing, guys. Should we stream or not stream? I'm trying to figure out. I don't know what's the problem. I have no idea. Hyperland crashing regularly. Do you run Hyper? Okay. How are they getting the logs, by the way? I have a custom scratchpad indicator script for my bar. Will fix in a second. For me as well, I'm also fixed in what? What did they fix? OBS crashing? I don't know if it's OBS. Yeah, okay. If this is gonna happen again, what about this, guys? Let's try to update. Uh, let me see if an update will fix it. But I think they're huge updates. Bind, Dolphin, Discord. Yes, Discord needs update. I know. Dolphin plugins and all. FMPEG, GST plugins are ugly and all. Whatever. Hyperlang. Okay. There was NVIDIA update as well, right? Linux. Okay, Linux kernel update is there. That will. I think I might just reboot after this and see what happens. OBS Studio is there. So OBS Studio update is there, guys. NVIDIA UTIS and NVIDIA DKMS is there. So I think NVIDIA driver is also being updated. What's the current NVIDIA driver that I have? It's 5425.29, right? And what are they saying? 29.06. Looks like the same. Maybe something different. Spectacles, LEJ, Qt6, Python, Cairo, and all. Okay. Everything else looks simple and fine. Qt6 base and all are there. So that's a new update. Okay, let me just start the update. I am not really. I want to see if this could be because of. OBS. How do you check OBS Studio logs though? I'm not sure. Is there a way for me to check OBS Studio logs, guys? Let's see. Let's see. Let's search the internet. In OBS, help log files. Okay. Help and log files. Okay, I can see there are log files here. Okay. What this is 921. No such interface on objected path. This simple stream. Okay. What's the time though? I don't remember the time. Yeah, this looks relevant, right? 917. But if I see this one as well, when this crashed, right? It was the same. Failed to inhibit free desktop error unknown method. No such interface. Org.free desktop.portal inhibit. Was it happening before as well? So it wasn't happening before, okay? And this started coming up now only. Unknown method, no such interface, org.free desktop portal inhibit. Objects on objected path, free desktop, okay. So it's related to XTG desktop portal, is it? Let's just search for it. Did I not copy? Ah, copy works differently, is it? Guys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna be diverted for some second now. I'll change the stream title once I close, by the way, don't worry about it. I know it's not really what I'm doing. Ouch. Control C, Control V. No such interface. This is closed, okay. What is this? This sounds like a XDG portal bug. Okay, so they had to downgrade or something. XDG portal has any ongoing bug about this? Oh, it could be because of terminal, is it? What was the bug again about? Inhibit, right? Should I just search about inhibit here? Was it here? Inhibit. Yeah, 5 tests failed, right? Test porters, inhibit and all. So this is failing for them as well. Steps to reproduce. Confirmed. I get the same in Kitty and thus run the test suite in GNOME terminal. Oh, so there you go, guys. It is about Kitty, I guess. So they are fixing. But when did I update as well? Come on, man. Okay. When was this PR created? 2 weeks ago. Why is it not landed so far? But this is test failure, right? This is not really a failure for. And the last release was here. Okay. Let me just search for inhibit again. Is there any close failure on that? Okay. Because XTG porter stuff is too slow to move on to main. Yeah. Yeah. So see, people are asking these questions as well. I've searched for a few hours and couldn't figure it out. I'm on the latest even. Okay. I've seen this error before. Yeah. Okay. If your app has a hard requirement on the background interface, then it will need working implementation of the background interface at runtime. Where have they talked about? Is it for Kitty though? The error. Let me just quickly search on Kitty for one last time. Hyperland uses its own portal. I remember I installed both, and that could be the problem there. What was it? Inhibit, right? All right. Okay. You're only supposed to load the Hyperland one. Multiple installations can exist, but load the right one. And how do you know? How do you load something? How do I know what I'm loading? Okay, but I think so far it's working fine. We can continue working, guys. This is very slow for some reason. What's up with this? Why is it this slow? I have a feeling it's about to crash again, and I'm very nervous. I mean, since you're streaming right now, you should be loading the right one, anyways. Yeah, I mean, I'm able to stream. Oh, now it's fast. Damn, this Linux and restart thing, even Windows as well, right? All right, okay. I guess, guys, it's okay for now. Change mirrors here. Now it's working fine. There's an error. Operation too slow. Yeah, yeah. There might be some mirrors that are going slow for some reason. Okay. I changing my. All right. I guess the update has been successful. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna hope that everything is fine now. Okay. All right. Let's continue working. Okay. Let's at least finish something off before it just keeps on breaking every time we start data scraping. Okay. Okay. Enough of my ranting about this. Okay. So where were we, right? Where were we so far? So we were able to like look at the PyTorch documentation. We were able to get the hyperlinks. Now what we are trying to do is we are trying to get the what? We are trying to get to the nested hyperlinks. Okay. And over here, if I just show you what's going on, okay. Hmm. Yeah. So over here, you see, we start from the very main page. What is that? I've passed here main.html. Okay. So this is a page that I've given to my code. Okay. Now what's happening is it's going through all the hyperlinks. Okay. And it's ignoring some prefixes. Okay. One of them is of course HTTP, whatever that starts with HTTP, I'm gonna ignore. Underscore and hashtag as well, because these are used in, I believe, in HTML, CSS for IDs or classes, if I'm not wrong. I could be wrong, but dot as well, right? Dot could be also there. So I'm gonna just add one line in just in case if it's used, but we'll see, right? I really want this to be a better way to, like, let's add it to do, have a better way to organize these prefixes, okay? Because it just sounds very bad to keep on adding one starts with here, okay? But in any case, what we're doing is, okay, let's also log. Uh, is it logger? Wait, I haven't. I need to use. What was the logging thing, by the way, guys? I need to check. Give me 1 second. I forgot. What was it? What was it? What was it? Use environment logger, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So this is use log. We can have error. For now, why is it failing? Oh, I need to put this here. Okay. Yeah, use log. Or we can just do log, right? And what we can do over here is we can get started here log and we do info. This is info. Yeah, I think this is just info, right? Because I'm skipping a hyperlink here. But one thing I would like to do is I think we will have to initialize over here. Environment logger, right? Generally you do this. Something like this. Sorry. Okay, now what's up with this? Is it log environment logger? How do you initialize this, guys? I forgot. I forgot a lot of things. environment logger, simple minimal loggers. Okay. Oh, I see. I need to, okay. My bad. I think I included the wrong one. If you see, this is they have, do they have it in cargo add? I can do cargo add, right? Yeah, I should use environment logger here. And what's the latest they have here? I have some question, may I ask? Please go ahead, Music Stories. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to the stream. What? All right. All right, please go ahead and ask the question. I will probably just continue living with it. But was it happening again because of the same bug? Let me look at the logs again. No such interface org or desktop. Yeah, is everything crashing? It just goes to the logout page and just doesn't open again. You see, and did my stream end? What's the time right now? 9:32, right? This is 9:31:37, right? I think. Okay, do you know how to check Hyperland logs? I mean, I know. Is it good to go Rust after learning MERN? 2, which core data are you using? 3, okay, that's the set. Okay, composer might be crashing. Yeah, which core data are you using? Which part projects you says to develop Rust? Okay, first of all, is it good to go for Rust after learning MERN? I have honestly heard that if you have, I I don't know about particularly the whole MERN stack. Okay, yeah, I do see some crash reports, guys. Give me 1 second, Music Stories. Is it fine if I just answer you in a bit? There's something that is crashing and I'm just want to take a look, okay? Give me 1 second, okay? All right, guys, what we are going to do as a remedy is I'm going to end the stream now. Okay, I'm going to go back and answer this question first. And maybe we can do this over Discord. I don't know, or I'll just share the logs once I'm done figuring out. I'll check the logs now. So Music Stories, let me answer a question. Is it good to go for Rust after learning MERN? See, first of all, a lot of Rust stuff comes, if you see like a lot of developers and all, they have been in the MERN stack after, like whoever is mostly like streaming, they were also using MERN before. But I don't know what you are looking for, right? Like if you're looking to learn Rust as a backend, I think it's a great language. If you are looking to learn Rust for systems programming or networking, I think it's a great language. For front end specifically, I don't think it's there yet. And there's a really good blog on it. I can share this with you. So you guys should take a look as well. I think I talked about this in one of my streams. I'm going to share the link here. Why is building UI so hard in Rust? It was February 20. It was Valentine's Day 2023 when they released the blog. This is the blog they released, okay? And you should take a look if you're very curious what's really the problem. If you're coming from a JavaScript stack or somewhere you have worked on the UI, you will understand. But it looks like MERN is mostly a backend stack as well, or full stack. I don't know. So yeah. Ouch, I just closed the chat. Okay, so that's one thing. About the editor I'm using Kitty as my editor right now, but I used to use Westom, right? And / I'm gonna Kitty. That's the editor I use. For projects you suggest to develop Rust. Again, don't try to learn a language by just doing projects, but also focus on what problem you want to solve. So if you're more like a systems programming person. Oh, sorry, yeah. Okay, yeah. I use NeoVim. Sorry, I'm so lost. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Sorry, I use NeoVim. Yep, that's right. Thank you so much. You don't know me. What projects, as I was saying that, right? If you're, let's say, working on systems programming perspective, just writing a terminal from scratch in Rust is great, right? Not just that, even writing an operating system in Rust is great. There are multiple blogs on it, right? Brain not braining. Yeah, brain draining, brain not braining, brain making fun of me by breaking Hyperland again and again. And I'm very sad. But it was not breaking before. I actually, okay, yeah, we'll check anyways. But yeah, so that's like one step. And also consider looking at, I remember there was this, guys, do you remember learn by projects? I think I have it. Give me 1 second, okay? Stream not working. Nothing, not nothing is working. Yeah, this thing. You guys should take a look at this. I think it's. I generally would never go for these kind of things, but I'm pretty sure you see that in simple web app in Rust, write an OS in pure Rust, build a browser engine. So they have just linked whatever things that are good. Okay. And if anything of this sort interests you, I think you can go for it. Okay. But again, see, the best way to learn a language is if you know a language right now and you have built something with it, try to port it to Rust for some time and see how it goes. I think it's because you what that does is right. You have some, um, let's say, what do you call it? Your reference point, right? To begin with. So if I have done something in C++, I would generally go and look at, okay, this is how you used to do it in C++. But in Rust, there are no classes, there are structs. Okay, so it's very easy for me to just kind of relate to what I'm trying to do, and it's very quick as well. So I hope this helps. Let me quickly edit live. Uh, I'll just make it unlisted, guys. I think it's just better if I don't show it. I think it's better this way. But if you guys want the link to the stream, you guys can join Discord channel and we'll make sure to share the stream with you. Okay, all right. Now where is my chat? Okay, here it is. All right, guys. I hope I was able to help you out on music stories. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. I'm gonna go and look at the logs and spend time figuring out what's going wrong before it ends again. Thank you so much for being here. Take care and bye bye. See you next time. Why is it Hyperland ceased running plugins? This crash might not be Hyperland's fault. Uh okay. This failed. But this is what? 5th February, right? Oh, this is system info. GG. Okay. Bye. See you soon. Thank you so much. I think I got the point, right? This is the backtrace. Okay, so it seems to be because of the workspace problem. Split pointer workspace is what I was using to fix my workspaces. I remember they. Okay. Oh God, thank you so much. I remember what's going wrong. I mean, I have an idea because even today only I was going through hyper. So generally, when anything of this sort comes with a new release, right? I look at the plugin. Yes, this. I think this is a problem. Yeah. Because so update the plugin. How do I don't. I don't think it's an update problem. Invalid query on incomplete or unselected read buff. Invalid operation generated, right? Invalid query on incomplete or unselected read. Restart signal, okay. Surface remote call destroy invalid query. So I remember Hyperland has landed a thing. Yeah, there you go. Okay, someone got a problem before as well, is it? No, this is different. Let's just see invalid query. Has anyone faced it before? No, right? So what is happening? So if you take a look at this, right? Hyperland start, libc, Hyperland main, compositor, start compositor, okay. Wayland server, libc, handle unrecoverable signal, crash report, create server crash. Yeah. Let's just look at others as well, maybe to see. Yeah, it all looks like the problem VGA controllable controller, NVIDIA. Okay. GPU, what is this? Receive signal version. How would I know what's the time of this? Man, they don't have this thing, is it? They don't tell when this happened. So I have to look at the file when was it created to understand. Yeah, it definitely looks like. Yeah, check the file creation. Yes. I mean, okay, what was it? I can do this, right? So it is February 18, for example. I can just take a look at this. Yeah, it does look failed in pipe, invalid query or incomplete. Okay. Bug, event processing lagging behind by 26 millisecond. Your system is too slow. Come on. Invalid query, invalid query, invalid query. Okay. I think it's time to get rid of it then. Should we? Because So, and the reason I'm trying to get rid of it is reason is very simple. If you go to Hyperland, right, and look at the GitHub, they in the new release, I believe they have added something that works over here. Hmm, workspace, yeah. So add dispatcher or for Exponent Qtile style workspace switching. I don't know if this really solves my problem, but implements a focus workspace on current monitor dispatcher and function, which implements Exponent of this kind of switching. So they have implemented this. And let me see, can I get Hyperland version? Oh, is there? Okay. How do I get the version though? Okay. Hyper. Wait, I hope it's not the problem with hyperdots though. Hyper CTL is something. Okay, yeah, I don't. Yeah, it has. It doesn't take just hyphen hyphen version. Great, thank you. So we are at point 3. Okay, yeah. So we are at the newest version. Right, right, right. Okay, perfect. So and is there a crash that's going on with? Have there been? How do I generally stay updated with? What is he updating here? Kitty.decall. What is it about? Dominant color preview. So I should be okay. Now this is a problem, right? Whatever updates are being made, they will not come through my. Okay, now what this means is I need to start looking at the config myself. Okay, and stop trusting these external things because anyways this is gonna break one day, right? If they just keep on adding features, it's gonna break one day. For me, it's just a decision I have to take to be able to. You might need to do a git pull to update these, but could lead to conflicts since you have changed some stuff. Yeah, that's why. Like, I mean, I understand that's my problem. No, I don't. It's not even a git repository, right? So what's happening with here? Like split pointer workspace, right? First of all, it's a bug from split pointer workspaces, right? We are pretty sure about it. So, and is it working? Okay, let me just try. All right, okay. For now, let's just get rid of split pointer workspaces. How do you do that? I think in the bottom I have source. No, what was it? Split pointer workspace, not here. Yeah, exec ones, right? So let's just get rid of this instead of trying to load it. And then, oh, sorry, this is a cool. Okay. And how do I know hyperctl plugins? Okay. I want to know what are the, okay, active window, active workspace. I want to see what are the plugins that are activated right now. Plugin, Hyperland, see plugins, active plugins. Okay. Okay. Can I unload a plugin? Okay, let's at least do hyperctl plugin unload and path to plugin like it's split monitor workspace, split monitor workspace. Not so plugin not loaded anymore. Okay, so this is great. Um, let's continue our streaming, guys, and we'll see if this still breaks. Okay. All right. So maybe we are done. Let's continue and see if this happens again, okay? And also, I hope you guys are still here, by the way. I'm sorry if you guys have left. Is anyone here? Yeah, there's still 4 watching, so I guess you all are here. Cool. Let me go and make it public then, the stream. I mean, honestly, like I don't have any hatred for Valent here because of the thing that happened. Even if it's like it's a plugin issue mostly with which what the logs say, it's okay, right? Like it was on me for installing a third party plugin, and with a new release, things always break. That's the whole ecosystem thing. But I'm very curious why would that happen. Maybe I can just create an issue there. Okay. So we have we have been able to do this so far. Let me just run it again. Now what you need to do is you need to go through these links, okay, and be able to figure out what are the other links in there, okay. So this needs to be another function, right? Let's just say extract all hyperlinks, okay, and I'll just say main HTML link, okay, and this what this does is it should give you the hyperlinks equal to this. And what's happening? Hey, yeah, if it's Hyperland issue, then there's an issue. The Hyperland developer will definitely fix it and release. Yeah, he's pretty active, but also I just want to make sure that he doesn't get overloaded with all this main HTML link. Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT, for copying my own code there. Okay, I need to Vim not Vimming. Sometimes everything behaves in like weirdly in my life. So as I said, I will not blame anyone else. Not even Vim and all. It's just me. Now what's the problem? Okay, I'm not returning anything. That's okay. Hold on. Hmm. Yeah, log is info. I don't mind to all links dot push final link. I don't mind taking the ownership here. Let all links. Okay, this could be interesting, right? I would rather prefer passing it here to avoid the issues with. And it doesn't need to return anything, right? Because I think this can be mutable. What's your problem, sir? Okay. What? Display doesn't work? Okay. To string I can do? Yeah, it generally doesn't work that way. Display dot to string. All right, let's just create a vector. Um, mm, okay. I wanted it to. I wanted this to be named something else, but it's okay for now. This needs to be a mute, right? Yeah, or I can pass. No, wait. I can unused variables hyperlinks. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. Now what we should do is println hyperlinks. I don't think you can print a vector like this. Can you? Why are you failing now? Oh, it doesn't return anything, right? Sorry, guys. Sorry. My bad. It doesn't return anything. So it's just calling all links. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let me just see if I was able to do this. Yeah. All right. So we are able to. It's pretty nice. Over here as well, let's just remove and let's keep log info. Not really log info. Warning. Hmm. It's warn, I guess, right? Okay. Warn, right? Yeah. Okay. And if I do cargo build release again, target release again, Yep. And hello world is where is it printing? Okay, let's just get rid of it. I don't need it. Okay, clean. Perfect, guys. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to be able to pass through each for each link in or links. Okay, something like this, where I say um, I call this to extract all hyperlinks. Okay, but this also makes sense for me to update. Uh, hmm. So we are doing main hyperlink main HTML link dot parent dot unwrap dot join, right? So what this means is I just need to keep src main dot html. Cool. All right. Let's just download one more item. So what I can do is for testing, right? I can just copy this first element, right? And what I should do is I should just go to PyTorch docs, right? Yeah. And when you click on this, and let's just say what was it? I think it was build CI governance, right? So this is it. So let's just download the HTML of it for now. Okay. And what is it called? Build CI governance dot html. Yeah. So this is done. Okay. I can get rid of it. By the way, how do the I don't think the workspace has been fixed so far because it's still the same. I will have to restart. But anyways, it's I don't want to jinx it, but it has not failed yet. I did say that. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say the main hyperlink is gonna be, of course, now I will have to pass a new link. Yeah, so this makes sense. You can just do this. Yeah, and keep on appending. Yeah, immutable borrow occurs here. Okay, sorry. I don't want to do mute here. Okay. Let's just have let mute. Not really this thing. Nested links. Okay, over here, vec of string is equal to vec new string here. And what I can do is nested links, right? Perfect, right? And what I can do over here is I can do println nested links, right? There's one important thing that I will have to check over here. I hope I'm doing it. No, right? I'm doing path new link and I'm doing fs read to string. Let's just see if it fails. How does it fail? Because other files don't exist, right? Yeah, no such file directory. So in this case, I don't want to panic. All right. So what I will rather do is unwrap unchecked. What does it do? Returns the contained OK value, consuming the self heap without checking the value is not an error. Okay. How do you use it, by the way? Extra unwrap checked. Okay, it just returns. Or I can have a default. If it's a string, I can just have it as a default, right? Unwrap or else I can do. But in that case, I'll miss the information of what the file is, like which file is not existing, right? So let's just do a sum here, match content. Yeah, something like this, right? And let's just do this here. And over here, log info content is there. And log error. Let's have it as a debug thing. And error reading file. This is fine. And I can have this. Mismatch types found in this expected struct string. What? Okay. Oh, sorry. No, it's not option, right? Result. How does it work, guys? What's return type of it? Result string, right? That's how it is. Uh Sorry, I need to convert this into okay, but still all good. Enum takes two generic arguments, but one was this. Okay, you need me to mention which error is there, and it stood IO error. Yeah, you wanted me to do this. Now what's the problem here? Cool. I can just do over here. whatever this happens, it can happen over here. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is what they wanted from me. Remove it entirely. Okay, because now I'm okay. No diagnostics anymore. Cool, guys. It's very clean now. Let's just. Okay. What is happening? What is. Oh, I'm not in the cargo bill release. Okay. You know what? Thank you so much for. Okay. What was it? Which project are we doing? Yeah. Okay. CD data scraping, cargo build release, target release, data scraping. I don't want to see logs right now. Says fine nested links. Yeah, there you go. Right. This is working fine. So as you can see, but wait, nested links didn't work for this as well, right? Why? So when I'm trying to get links over here, log error I'm doing, right? So I can do rust log equal to what was it? Info, right? Guys, 1 second now. Okay. All right. So where was I? Sorry, I had to look at something. There's Rust log, right? That we can use. How can we enable logs for that? There's Rust log. If I don't, what was it? Rust log enum was there, right? Environment logger. We are doing environment logger in it here, right? I thought we were doing. Oh, we didn't add it to the cargo.toml, is it? Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. For now, I'm just gonna take the latest version. What's the version, by the way? It used to show here, right? It doesn't. Yeah, there you go, right? Now I can just say, what is it? Use log, environment logger. No, wait, what's the error here? Yes, now how do I use environment logger? Let's just go here. So you do environment logger in it, and you have to do all these things as well, okay? If log enabled, level info, okay. It's kind of a weird way to log, to be honest. And then, yeah, this is what I was looking for, right? Rust log equal to error and all. What if I want Rust log to be everything? Yeah, enable all logging is main. How does main mean that? Okay, okay, this is different. All right, okay. So what I can do is I can just have use log here. Why is it failing? What was the importing use log debug? Should I do this way? Debug info error one. No, right? And this is a crate I've already added for use with the logging. Okay. So I need if I see what's going on, I think I need both traits, right? And I can do dust log equal to what's my app data scraping. Can do target release data scraping get logs. Is it okay? Cargo build release. Yeah, there you go. Right. Error data scraping error reading file. No such file or directory. That's fine. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say okay. I only need debug. Hmm. Rust log equal to debug target release data scraping. No such file directory. Okay, debug does give error as well, which is not what I wanted, to be honest. Info is there. This was debug, right? Do I have a debug flag here? Okay, that's a lot of debug to be honest. Data scraping, final. No href attribute found, debug is there. Got characters, got character, This is for tokenizer as well. I think it, okay, cool. In that case, what I can do is I can just info work for link, and I can, because I don't need the link here, I just want to know whether it worked or not. Yeah, and I can just do this. Perfect. And let's just cargo build release again. Target the, it just prints, okay, error. Okay, how do I search? Guys, remember how to search in Kitty? Does anyone know? Error reading file, no such file directory. Okay, you are giving me the error, that is fine. But I also want the file name, come on. That was very obvious. Okay, and here I can have made HTML link.display. Okay, cargo build release, not target release, yeah. So we were looking for build build governance, all right. We were not able to find because it's in community, okay. So we need to go to src, mkdi community, and keep build in community, and I can just remove it, okay. So this is just me not trying to fetch data. Yeah, I don't remember the bind as well. I think Kitty would have a Vim mode, right? I wonder if they would have it. Okay, now what next, right? Can you please rust log equal to, if I don't want anything, if I want to disable, what do you do? Off, if let's say off. Yeah, there you go, right? I'm getting nested links from here. You guys see? But what's really happening? Why is it printing again and again? Oh, because it's already been pushed. Yeah, makes sense, guys, makes sense. Okay. I want this to return an error as well. I want this to be result, because I think it's better if I do it this way. So what I can do over here is I can do return okay, right? Something like this, and I can, sorry. Yeah, Kitty does have a preferred Vim mode. It has ton of things, but I've dropped using GPX determinants. Why? I think anything went wrong with, okay. I just need to get this into brackets. So I was thinking, what's going wrong? Okay, here I can just say error E, right? And that's it. Ta-da! What's your problem here? You don't need a, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go, right? This is done. This is done. We have fixed things. Any diagnostics for me, sir? Okay. Yeah, I need to have let if success. Okay, something like this. And what I can do is I can just say match if succeeded. Or we can just do, right? If yeah, this is fine, and we can just return. But very honestly, or we can do dot is okay. There's a native Wayland terminal emulator called Foot. It uses much less resources compared to Kitty or anything else, although I do use Kitty in work environments because of cross-platform. Foot. Oh, is it? Nice, yeah. There are always new things coming up. I would check it one day as well, but I'm just trying to figure out if I can do it inline, right? Of course I can do unwrap, or I can continue, right? Error unchecked, no. Unwrap error, no. Unwrap or. How do I panic? No. I can do expect. Yeah, I can just do expect and say that fail to get hyperlinks for the given link. Okay, and I can later on I can do format here. Okay, I'm still not in favor of this, to be honest. is to match if let's okay. Yeah, something like this, right? Something like this is what I want. What's your no? Okay, what is the other session? What's wrong here? Consider using is okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Success dot is okay. This is fine. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and I think I can go here now. Cargo bill release dot target this. Yeah, there you go, right? Okay, this is better. And I can do dust log equal to off. Yeah, nested links is only one time we get. Alright, guys, this is done. Otaku Drama Saga. Hello, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, what's up? Hi everyone, I do see people joining finally. Thank you so much, guys. As a reminder, if you're new, you can just say hi in the chat. I think this is something we can do. We can all agree on, right? Perfect. Thank you so much for joining. And no force, guys. You don't have to subscribe, but if you like the content, please consider doing it. Otherwise, it's all okay. You guys can enjoy the content. All right, guys. We are able to get the hyperlinks as well from the nested link. This is great. Okay. Now the next point is to be able to fetch. What is the code about? Otaku Drama Saga. Okay. I'm going to call you ODS, okay? So what we are doing is we are trying to create a chatbot out of a given documentation link, okay? Love you, man. You smart. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I love you all too. I'm getting used to saying this as a streamer, you know, that love you all and all, but thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys coming to the stream, by the way. Okay, so what we are doing is that given the documentation link, I want to be able to generate a chatbot. Okay, and how would you do that? So you need, the point was these hyperlinks are very important. Okay, so this data, I'm able to get the text out of the given link. All right, but what's next? You need to get the hyperlinks, and you need to open those hyperlinks as well to be able to fetch everything. Okay, or you don't need to as well if you're going through all the documentation links. But for now, we are trying to fetch the data, okay, and we are trying to get all the nested hyperlinks, and once that is done, we'll be using that. So that's it. Like we'll be using that data for fine-tuning any chat GPT, chat GPT, what am I saying, chat bot model, whatever that is suitable for it, and we'll be able to just create a chatbot out of it. Yeah, and we are trying to do the data fetching in Rust. I think it's pretty neat. I'll be able to like automate it one day, but for now it's very specific to PyTorch, or not really very specific, but some things here and there are there that are very relevant. But I was just thinking, if I do soup.text, okay, thanks man, thank you so much, good username. Yep, congratulations. I don't watch these shows, so I don't know the context, but anyways, everyone's username is really good. Do you have your workflow video like terminal, FCF and all? Okay, for terminal and NeoVim. Okay, I don't have it. So whenever the thing is, I'll tell you what, right? There were people who have requested a video on my setup as well. I do use 3 monitors. I do have a standing desk and all of that. And I don't want to do it because it kind of gives a wrong vibe that, okay, this is what you should do it, do a home tour. No man, the reason I don't want to do it is because it might lead to some people believing that they also need it to be able to develop this much or whatever, right? And the very honestly, you don't need more than 2 monitors for coding at least. You can have 10, you know. But the point is, I don't know. Are you a full-time coder? Not really. I do play badminton, but yeah, I'm a full-time developer. Yes, but not on stream though. I don't stream full-time here, and I do work as well. Outside of working hours, whenever I find time, I stream. So it's not really a full-time thing. I'm not earning through YouTube. Yeah, okay. I do get it. I do get it. Let's do it one day, okay. Now the home tour, your workflow configuration. Yes, got it. Okay. So let me do it. All right, guys. Duly noted. Before I go home, I'm going home on 25th. I'll make sure to record a video and do it. Okay. As I said, please go to the YouTube description down below for the Discord link, and please make sure to join as well. I think, as I said, Discord is the only place I use for communication for all of you. So please make sure to join there as well. All right. Thank you so much, Sharkit Spark and Otaku Drama Saga for being the first time viewers. Not sure about viewers, but at least chatters. Okay. Hmm. Now I'm thinking a very important thing. Okay. And let's consider this. Okay. You're an old man. Uh, so am I. I'm ancient. I say this, Mom, I need a 4070 for my schoolwork. Mom, could you please get me a 4070? Because there's a streamer who uses this. I'm old, man. Okay, I meant old user, but I'm old. So I was telling the story, right? Whenever something comes up, and there's a friend of mine in my current company, he just says this, yo, bro, I'm old. But he's really smart. And he just likes kidding around and says that, I'm old. I'm not really good and all. It's fun. But okay, I've been here for some time. I don't know. I do. Yeah, you were there in stream very few times. Maybe you're coming after a long time. Sorry about that. Just interesting usernames, yeah. All right, guys. So there's one thing I was thinking. Do we need to extract hyperlinks as well? Yeah, move to UK. Oh, congratulations. I'm a brand new here. Yay, welcome, welcome. How do you welcome? How does a YouTuber welcome a new user? Yo, thank you so much for joining, guys. This is your first time to say hi in the chat. Thank you so much for joining that. I really appreciate it. Hi, Roberto. Roberto Medina. You guys are coming with very interesting names, by the way. Yeah, move to UK. Nice, subscribe now. Yes, please do subscribe. Congratulations on moving to UK. If India, so India just England just lost today in the test match with India. Ta 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 ta, India won. This used to happen when I was young, right? And if any, I'll tell you guys an interesting story, right? What used to happen whenever India would lose in any sport, okay? So India would lose, for example, in badminton, they just lost against Japan, okay? In Asian team championships, even in squash, if India lost against any team, though although they won the Asian championships, right? I would decide not to visit that country for the next few years unless and until India actually beats that team. Okay, until then, I'm never visiting that country, although I don't have enough money to visit anyways. But I was so emotionally attached. And this happened with me, right? I started getting out of options because India lost against a lot of countries. Right, for example, World Cup cricket. Okay, they lost against New Zealand. Yeah, they lost against Australia after some time, right? And I'm like, okay, so Australia and New Zealand are done. Then England also keeps beating India somewhere around in here and there, right? And then Pakistan, of course, has beaten India very few times, right? And then there is, I don't just check wherever US plays India or any European country plays as well. I'm like, no, those are the two continents I want to keep alive for me, America and Europe. Then you would come to Nepal. Then you never know. Nepal would also beat India in some sports. At least, like for example, this um, I don't taekwondo and all. Maybe you never know karate. So Asian games are like full of different things. For example, North Korea did beat India in some sport in Asian games. I'm like, okay, fine. I'm not going to North Korea anyways. Do you watch Olympics? Yes, and that's why. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done watching any sport now. So I stopped doing it. But this is what I used to do even 1 year back. I'm from Cape Verde. Okay, my name is from Portuguese origin. Okay. That's a really good name, by the way, Roberto Medina. And you're joining from some other city. I live in India, by the way. Whoever asked, you watch cricket? Yes. I don't watch anymore. Did you say North Korea? Yes. I was surprised. People's Republic of Korea, right? And um, Asian Games, there were People's Republic of Korea people, and they were winning. Okay, it's not. I'm not kidding. And what I saw, okay, it might sound very racist, but what happened is it might be racist as well. But the thing is, what happened? This North Korean athlete came, okay, and what they did, okay, they came, and I think it was about weightlifting or something, okay, some deadlift and all, and there was a girl, and they won. Okay, and the girl went back and cheered with the coach. I'm like, do they do that in North Korea? Are they allowed to shake hands? You know, is a girl allowed to shake hands with a guy in North Korea? And this kind of image was there, right? Because they make it sound like very strict and all. Right? I don't know how to put it. You guys understand, right? So I'm like, okay, okay, the world is growing, right? Maybe she would have come over here and they would realize that okay, you need to shake hands, you need to hug if you win and all. You can do that. I'm not gonna say anything. You can. Media propaganda. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to say it out loud. I'll I hope nobody watches my stream. I live in Lisbon. My name is Roberto Carlos Medina in a full okay. Nice. And they were good in football too. They were in the World Cup too, is it? Yeah, I mean, it's very weird. If you see some YouTube videos about people going to North Korea, they don't know enough about like they don't know anything about Ronaldo and all, right? But you don't need to know them to play football, right? I like that you're interested in models and AI. Yeah, I'm interested in solving problems. Are you ex Fang or something? I'm ex startups, and I worked for Nvidia as an intern in 2020. I was in the US then that time, and the reason I say I was in the US because the interview process for India versus the US is different, and I was able to crack that interview. So I generally say that I'm not flexing, but I did intern for Nvidia. I'm doing a master on it. It's fun. Oh, nice, good to know. All right, guys. I have a paper on machine translation. That's good to know. I am not very pro in this as like you, but yes, I'm learning and willing to connect with people. Sure, you can of course join our Discord channel. That's in the description down below. Great Roboto. Yeah, perfect, guys. Okay, let me go back to coding, guys. Where were we? What are we doing? Cargo build release target this thing. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to be able to fetch, right? So with the link, I want to be able to fetch the link HTML raw. Okay, fetch raw HTML. Okay, and I'm gonna pass it a main HTML link here. Okay, and what this path is gonna be, it's gonna be a string now. Okay, and this is gonna be a. So let's start with. Okay, I need to go to PyTorch docs as well again. So if you go to documentation, right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with index.html. Okay, and the only reason we are doing nested hyperlinks right now is to be able to automate the process of getting all the links and all. Okay, and we will mark everything as visited or not. Okay, so that we are able to figure out. I miss my bindings to replace some. All right, guys. So this is what I'm doing over here. Okay, let's say let raw data. What's going to be the output? Yeah, it's going to be string, I guess. I'm going to keep it as raw string, and I'm going to say, okay, no, fs read to string will not work that way. I think it just kind of understood that I'm doing it this way. Okay, now if succeeded extract all hyperlinks, I'm going to say raw data, right? I'm just going to fix this is going to be raw data. Okay, it's going to be a string as well. I don't need, it can be without reference as well. And this content doesn't need to be there. Match content. Raw data can be in, should it be an option string? I don't know. Yeah, I can have it this way. Yeah, this is fine. Raw data. Okay. And over here, what I can do is work for link and all. I don't think I need this here. Right. And link error reading file. Okay. Interesting. I should not be doing it this here. Okay. Now this is interesting. So final link will not be generated here. I'll just be passing the href clone. Okay. So here, that's it. That's all I'll be doing. Okay. So this will not be returning me anything fancy. Yeah, this is done. Now is the time to fix it, right? So raw data goes here. It says, okay, it needs to be, yeah, it needs to be, of course, result string, right? Okay. So we do this here. Okay, these guys need to stop asking me to. Okay, cool. This is fine. What's the problem here though? Oh, okay, okay. Path new link. Sorry. So over here as well. Over here, what we'll do is we'll get the content. Yeah, and I'll just get the content equal to fetch raw HTML link dot string, right? And I can just have it here. This is gonna be what? What's your problem now? Why is it a string? Oh, okay. No, but fetch raw HTML now doesn't. Okay, I haven't changed the return type of it. Ah, my bad. That's why it was okay. That's why it was asking me to. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is fixed. This is fixed. What else is there? Mismatch types, content is there. Okay. Yeah, it does want me to return content. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, do I want to return? Yeah, okay, so I need to fix this way, but anyways, let's come back to it later. First, I will need to figure out how to get the raw HTML from a given link, okay? And how do you do that? We have to search Google for that, okay? Now, since Google is being replaced for many things, but that's fine. Get raw HTML data from link, Rust. Extracting links. Yeah. How do I display HTML web page by giving the link with rocket.rs? Okay. Raw HTML. Okay, this is rocket.rs. Okay, yeah. Request.get to perform a HTTP GET request and then use document from need to pass response into HTML document. Okay, here you go, right? All right, so this is what we're going to use, right? Request get. Okay. All right, let's just get rid of this for now. And honestly, I can get rid of this match as well. I don't think I need it. All right, so what are we going to do? Request. I need to import this, I guess, right? Request, what is it? Blocking get. And let's just have request here. Okay, can I just keep on having the latest version? I know it's not a good practice, guys. I never do this, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna return okay for now so that this. What's your error, sir? Why are you failing? Wait, why is it failing? I can't see the error. Yeah, cool. What's the error about? Could not find blocking in request. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, Copilot was wrong. All right, so what is there? You do request get and you get it dot await. That's for async, right? Dot text. This should be fine. How do you call get? Oh, it's an async function. Okay, so is there? Oh, I need to get blocking feature in. This works this way, right? Features equal to blocking. Yeah, this thing, right? And what I can do is now I can do. Oh, now it will automatically work, is it? All right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this phase, right? Blocking. Now it will work. At least it will give me the option. That's the problem. Cannot convert this to error. Okay, I don't want you to do anything with it. Let's let output equal to this. Yeah, this is what you get result, right? And you can do document, which is use select from document from read. And what are they doing over here? You see result.string, right? So output.s star. That's what they're doing, but they're getting the text as well, right? Output dot unwrap dot text dot. I guess I can do s star now. No, unwrap dot s star. Okay, that's a lot. Sorry, but I'm gonna do this anyways. And this document comes from use select, right? Use select document, right? And I need to add cargo. Can I just do cargo add select? Cargo add select. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, all right, great. Works so far. Document from read. Let me just finish the rationalizer stuff. Hey there, are you using lazy Vim? No. Hi, thank you so much for joining Nemo. First of all, probably your first time in the chat. No, I'm not using Nemo. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm lost. Yes, I'm not using lazy Vim. I'm using NeoVim and just my own config. If you're curious what's my config, you can go to github.kr shimali NeoVim. I guess I forgot. Let me put HTTPS as well. Let me see if this link points to the right one. 2 weeks ago. Yeah, this is the one I'm using right now. But thank you so much for joining. Feel free to ask any questions if you have. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Yep. Is not satisfied, is not implemented for star, is it? So what is it implemented for string? So what do you mean? Is not implemented for string. So what do you want? It takes a readable. Okay. Oh, that's why dot text dot unwrap. Okay. Now let me go to documentation again. Result dot. Oh, it's document dot. Okay. Okay. Sorry. It's from. It's not from read. Yeah. Okay. So this works, right? And I want to have. I just want to print it for now and see what does it give. Does it have any display option and all? What is this document about though? An HTML document, right? And then it has nodes and all. Passes the given string into a document. Append is there. From is there. Is there a way to print? Do they don't override display, so I don't think this will work, but I'm gonna still try. But do they override? Okay, now it's wrong. Why is it expecting a string though? Where is fetch? What are the other errors? No method display found. Where am I calling display here? href.display. Oh, it's already string. Sorry. Okay. Happy now? Now what's your problem? I'm returning a result string, right? Duh. Mismatched types, expected string. So where are you expecting a string? Okay, is it here? No, right? It's a result string IO error. Oh, okay. It's a, oh, sorry. Yeah, my bad. So it needs to be you can return okay, but then it needs to be output.text unwrap, right? Because, or you can just have okay. I don't know. Can I just have it as toString? What? Okay. Bad way to do it. Uh, how do you form a result enum, guys? Can I just, is it possible to do this? And instead of this, can I just do this for now? That's what I was doing before as well, right? Why was it failing? Okay. Needless borrow. Okay. I thought I'll use it again. Stop raising errors for these things. Unused imports. Fine. Get rid of these. What are the errors? Okay. No diagnostics. Okay. Let's now try to, okay. Sorry. This is the second time I'm doing this. Now let's try. I hope cargo.toml has not been populated a lot. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Dot target release. Yeah, there you go, right? Okay. Okay. It panicked at 50th line. Get main HTML link. Oh, main HTML link is wrong, is it? Yeah, I haven't replaced the main HTML link, right? It's still src main.html. Yeah, so you need to fix this first of all. What I was doing here? This okay. I was lost. So this needs to be the PyTorch link, right? I will just copy and paste it here. And go back to this thing, right? And that's it. Okay. And if I do cargo build release again, cargo build release, now target this. Yeah, there you go, right? So it just prints a node. I think that's what like the whole point of document is. But my question is, if I just don't do document building here, if I just print what's the output, Yeah. What does it return? What's the return type of response, right? And can I get HTML out of it? Because I'm pretty sure from will be doing it, right? From unwrap dot this text to it. What? Let me just see. Okay. I need to have a binding. My plugin, that's exactly what it used to do, but I'm not using it now. Yeah, there you go, right? We got the content. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, that's it, right? So this is output dot unwrap. Uh okay, can I just do expect here? Yeah, let's just do this way. And output dot text I can do. Got a good night, people. Okay, thank you so much for joining. You don't know me. Good night, good night. Take care. Thank you so much again. Hope you have a good day. Good night ahead. Sorry. Enjoy. Output text. Yeah, and it's already. What is the output though? This is. Okay, I'm just gonna be very blunt here and do this. Okay, fine. I'll still use it. Yeah, okay. Cargo bill release. There you go, right? Okay, now this is fine. Now what I need to do is because so what's gonna do is it's gonna keep calling this, right? Alright, so extract all hyperlinks, what does it do, right? Once you go through each link, you need to basically change the last word, right? So what I'll do is I'll do main fetch raw HTML. This needs to be link, let modified link, okay, is equal to main HTML link dot parent. No, I need to call a path new, right? Dot parent. What was it? What? Why does it not work? What are the options? That's it. Modified. Oh, path is not imported. That's why is it. Yeah, there you go, right? Parent dot last. What was it? Child? No. Okay. You get the parent. Yeah, unwrap join. That's it, right? And this thing. Okay. Yep. Bar of moved value. It's moved here. Am I using it somewhere else as well? No, right? Okay, that's what I'm using. Yeah, okay. Because that's moved here, moved there. That's the bad thing that I was not passing it as a reference, but it's okay. For now, this is fine. I just want to print modified link for now. Okay. I don't need this modified link. Okay, alright. What's wrong? Oh, again the move thing, is it? Oh, fine, just debug. Cargo build release, not target release. Modified link is there, right? So if you see, this time it's better. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So what I want to do now is be able to say, going good. So far going good, guys. Come on, okay. Don't give up now. Display. And can I just do into for now? Oh, this doesn't work that way. Okay, cool. This works. Let's see. Ta-da! There you go, guys. Are you happy? Is anyone here? Guys, do you see what's happening here? It's going through all the links. It's getting all the hyperlinks from each link itself. It's getting the content automatically and it's getting all the hyperlinks. Now what I need to do is I need to mark something as visited because it's going to keep going on. Okay. Because next time it sees the link, I don't want it to get the content for it. Okay. So what I can do is let's keep this way you can just have a hash map or something. Or actually we can have a hash set, visited set equal to hash set. Okay. And I can have it as a string new sure. Now what's the problem? Operators cannot be chained. Comparison operators. Where is comparison? What? What are you talking about? Hash set? Okay. I thought hash set is just... Oh, okay. What did I do? Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, my bad. Okay. Sorry. Almost forgot. Rest there. Cool. Okay, this is done. Right? And what I'm going to do is every time you do this, success is okay. Even if not, to be honest, once you're done with fetch.html, you should extract visit set dot, what do you have? Add, insert. Yeah, link. No, we want, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, link, appending link is fine here, to be honest. Okay, it needs to be muted. Okay. What? How do you, I forgot. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. All right, this is done. And if we do if visited dot, if visited set dot, contains link, continue. Yeah. So this, what this will do, I'll also want to say log info skipping link because it's already visited. Yeah, this is what I would need over here. I think this will be great. Successful for link. Yeah, okay. Nested links I don't want to print because anyways, okay, what I can do is over here, this nested links come over here, right? This where I'm calling. Fine so far. I think this is fine. Cool. I don't want to print it though. If I want, I can have log debug, right? And nested links I can print here. And I can have log info, all links here, and avoid using any print statements. All right, guys. Are you happy seeing the document so far? What have we done? And we can get rid of select here. And let's also get rid of these two and do cargo add log and moment logger as well. So I think it will just fetch the latest version of it and it will keep it there. Yeah. All right, there you go. This is done. Okay. Can I just visit normal file again? Yeah, there you go, right? Request as well. Okay. Let's just ask it to do cargo add request. Okay. Ouch. No, don't do this. Don't do this. I hope it has not saved. Yeah, there you go, right? Request. And I would want, can I just write features equal to blocking JSON? I don't need. That's okay. And it needs a parameter here as well, right? Version. Okay, what's your problem with this? Sorry about this. Okay. Cool. Let's just cargo clean. Let's just build clean. Oh, that was 800 MBs total, is it? Wow. And guys, if anyone is new here, if you like the content so far, please consider subscribing. If not as well, I'll understand and it's totally fine. Because we are not here for subscribers. We are here to build projects that help a lot of things here and there. That's it. Okay, so this is done. What else what else do I need? I can just try calling it. Yeah, there you go. I don't see any errors. If you want, I can do rust log is equal to info. Okay, I can do debug. Yeah, there you go, right? It's going here and there, got character, HTML5 server. I would like to just disable that, but you can see it's working for sure. I'm pretty confident. Okay. Now, of course, I want to stop somewhere and say that, okay, the data fetching is done. But for now, this is just a prototype, right? I can just get rid of SRC community. Wait, before I end up changing things, let's stage the changes and commit. Almost close to automating. Add a request for fetching raw data and nested links. Okay, so this is done. I can get can push, can keep it to main. That's okay. All right, guys, and if you are here, you can go to chat. What was it? Okay, I can go to my repository and you'll find my project here. ChatBot Rust data scraping. It's updated now. So as you can see, it's there. Almost close. And that's it. Okay, this is done. I guess, yeah, we have committed here. All the changes here. Cool. Well done, guys. Congratulations. This is done. This is done. This is done. Okay. So I think that's mostly it for today's stream. In the next stream, what we're going to focus is how would the model need the data to be, right? What kind of format does it need, right? And we'll try to just fine tune a model based on a given data any kind of string, right, and see if it works, and then kind of validate our hypothesis on that. Okay. Hey, hi Rishikesh. Thank you so much for joining. What's up? How are you doing? I was just about to end the stream. Yeah, Jane. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, and appreciate it. And see you next time. Take care. Bye, everyone. Say bye in the chat if you're here. Good night. And if you're new, consider doing whatever you should do, like liking and subscribing if you want. Take care. Bye. Bye. Good night. I have college exams coming. I got to study. Okay. Yeah. Please go ahead. All the best. All the best for exams. Hope you do well. All right. Bye, everyone. Bye.